Manila's hottest
我擠咧點
monster. RX 93.1.
快條隔離屋咁熟喎。
Hey, let's talk about something important. This is for every woman listening right now. March is International Women's Month, and it's more than a date on the calendar. It's a celebration of us. We celebrate the strength, brilliance, and the unstoppable spirit of women everywhere. We are resilient. We are compassionate. We are powerful in ways the world is only beginning to fully recognize. This International Women's Month, let's honor our stories. Let's support women-owned businesses. Let's mentor young girls. Let's celebrate every win, big or small. To every woman, your voice matters. Your dreams matter. You matter. Happy International Women's Month from the station that proudly celebrates the beauty, heart, and strength of every Filipina and every woman around the world. Manila's hottest monster. RX 93.1.
The Monster Music Awards, hosted by Manila's hottest DJs.
We are honoring OPM's finest from the past year. You're listening to the Monster Music Awards 2026 on Manila's hottest monster. RX 93.1.